Research the industry. Familiarize yourself with the cleaning industry, including different types of cleaning services such as residential, commercial, and specialized cleaning. Learn about the common tools, techniques, and chemicals used in the industry. Obtain necessary training. While a formal education is not typically required to become a professional cleaner, obtaining training can give you an edge in the industry. Look for vocational schools, community colleges, or online courses that offer cleaning and janitorial training programs. Gain experience. Start by working part-time or volunteering in cleaning positions to gain hands-on experience. This will help you develop your skills and understand the nuances of various cleaning tasks. Learn about safety and regulations. Familiarize yourself with the safety standards and regulations in the cleaning industry. This includes proper handling and storage of cleaning chemicals, personal protective equipment, PPE, and Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) guidelines. Obtain necessary certifications. While not always mandatory, obtaining professional certifications can enhance your credibility and help you stand out from the competition. The International Janitorial Cleaning Services Association (ICSA) and the Cleaning Management Institute (CMI) are two organizations that offer certifications for professional cleaners. Develop customer service skills. Strong communication and customer service skills are essential for professional cleaners. You will need to interact with clients, understand their needs, and address any concerns or complaints they may have. Create a resume and portfolio. Develop a professional resume highlighting your experience, training, and certifications. A portfolio showcasing your work, including before and after photos of cleaning jobs, can also be helpful in demonstrating your skills to potential employers or clients. Network with industry professionals. Attend industry events, workshops, and conferences to network with other professionals in the cleaning industry. Building connections can lead to job opportunities and valuable insights into the field. Apply for jobs or start your own business. You can either seek employment with an existing cleaning company or start your own cleaning business. If you choose to start a business, develop a business plan, obtain necessary permits and licenses, purchase equipment and supplies, and create marketing materials to promote your services. Stay updated and continue learning. The cleaning industry is constantly evolving, with new techniques, tools, and products being introduced. Stay updated on industry trends and developments, and invest in continuing education to keep your skills relevant and competitive.